This is where we're going to be installing the drain. This is the low point. This is where all the water collected. And ideally we would dig a trench from there, put the pipe, have cut a little hole in that fence, go all back, because I'll show you all back in a second. The problem is there's a fucking bee's nest right there. Bee's nest. What is it called? Yeah, it's a bee's nest. So maybe do the pipe this way. Here, I'll show you what it looks like out back where the pipe is going to be coming through. It's going to be coming through here. Dig through there and then just go right down that way. And down here, all the way down there is the river, which will be fine. No big deal. Our property goes all the way down to the river, but it's a simple project. It's simple enough for it to be our very first like home DIY. My main issue is that freaking that bee's nest. And it's not honeybees. It's not honeybees, it's hornets. If it were honeybees, I could call a professional. I would have to call a professional, don't I? I can't take them out myself and then pay for a professional to come here. But nope, it's hornets, so yay for that. That's my main concern. Digging through here ain't it's whatever. It's the fucking bees. Oh, we can smoke them out, can't we? All right, let me Google. I know. Okay, so we have an idea. Because this ground is so incredibly clay and gravelly. I looked up a video that recommended dumping water in the hole. I'm so hesitant to do it because we just paid $1,200 to drain our basement. Water is my enemy right now, but we have to dig a trench going all the way across. And literally 40 minutes I've been on this, and that's all I've managed to accomplish. It's such hard, rocky, clayey soil. So let's try this and see how it works out. Hopefully this works. I don't know how much water we're supposed to put there though. I'm so fucking nervous, like honestly, water is not my friend right now. Okay, that guy wasn't completely wrong. This shit is mad easy to think. Okay, let me go stop the pipe. It's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. Woohoo! All right, let's do this. Where there's a will, there's a motherfucking way. The water is helping, but it's still an insane amount of work. The act of swooshing the water is making a difference. You see, I'm getting somewhere. How long have I been at this? 45 minutes? This is how far I've gotten. Hubby got a pickaxe. This is gonna make all the difference in the world. Absolutely necessary to dig into the water. 5:40. We decided to stop for the day. We still have a shit ton of work to do. He has to eat and shower and go to take a nap before working tonight. Trying to do this while taking care of a 4-year-old. Never again. I love my grandson, but next time he stays home. Unless he's like 10 and can actually help. Because it's too much. It's so overwhelming. This would have been a lot easier had it not been for the ground being rock hard. My back is back-breaking work. The project itself is easy. Fucking put the drain in, put the pipes. It's easy. It's not an expert level thing. It's the work is back-breaking, especially when you have clay, sand, gravel, bricks, boulders. Like, what the frig? But this is where we're stopping. Oh, by the way, get a backhoe. Backhoe would have been so helpful. Probably gonna grab one tomorrow. We just don't feel like going with them. Joe has made at least 5 trips to Lowe's and Home Depot today. When we realized, you know what, a backhoe would be helpful. We're like, yeah, tomorrow. It was already too late by the time we realized that. But yeah, this is where we're stopping for today. Like I said, this would have been a one-day project if the ground would not have been. Look at this. This is turning into literal cement right now, and it's just dirt. That's how hard this ground is to cut through. If you're gonna do this and your ground is difficult, get a pickaxe, get a backhoe, get ready to break your back, throw some water in there, because the water loosened the shit up. Tomorrow, we try again, if I can move tomorrow. Literally, I can't even miss my wrist. I'm struggling to hold this phone because my wrist is killing me. Till tomorrow, my friends. Why am I holding it that way? Baby's officially connecting the last pipe in our trench drain.
There we go.
We freaking did it. Holy shit.
Oh.
We ended up returning one of the pipes because all the pipes. That's luckily the pipe is in now, so it doesn't. I wish I had that on video. Damn, my phone was pointing. My phone was pointing down. Anything we could backfill it tomorrow?
Yes.
Or
Definitely.
you know, whatever, whenever.
We both had a long day. You more so.
Whenever.
All I did was drive.
So it's a good thing you didn't end up. You couldn't return that because the lady didn't know what she was doing. Cause we're keeping it.
Yep.
It'll do the job for now. So we're gonna leave this like this for now. We'll backfill it tomorrow or whenever, because tomorrow is Monday. Is that one? Maybe that one doesn't fit in there.
It should. I mean, they're both like the same thing. It's just they're kind of a pain to like line up and get to the right spot.
I think. Let me go try.
It's almost
Help
there.
him. I heard clicking. All right, hold on. Here it is. Our somewhat finished trench drain. Is it perfect? Far from. But as our very first DIY project, not too shabby. It goes down to where he's past where his feet is. It doesn't end right there. It ends back there where his foot is. It's a little shorter than I would like, but it'll drain nicely. We have another pipe. We're gonna attach another pipe to it tomorrow. We're done. We're gonna start barking it for now. But this is it. This part is gonna be fun to try to bury because that literally has become cement. This is not cement. Now I have to try to move it, so I might dump some water on it. That's our baby. We did it. Hopefully our basement won't flood again as bad as it did. We still have to.
How does the water help it? I mean, how does the rocks help it? Ooh.
It helps drain the water, like it guides the water where to drain.
Cool. Good idea. Genius.
YouTube. Not bad.
This part right here is a little hard to.
Yeah, we need to we're gonna install another one there because that's another low end. We just need to figure out where we're gonna bring the pipe. Ideally, it would be nice to bring it across here, but that's not gonna happen because we would have to cut across our driveway. But that's a project for another day. We'll talk about it then. Next project is installing the sump pump, and I do plan on filming that because we don't know what the fuck we're doing there either. Join the we don't know what the fuck we're doing crew. Okay.
You put the hose on the reef.
There you go.
Ready?
Yep, just turn it on a little. There we go. All right, let's go see how this works. Cross your fingers. Oh, my back is killing me. It literally hurts to walk. Please, please, please let it work. Husband had a good idea to possibly test it before we completely bury it. Please tell me.
Hasn't come out yet. So I wonder if we gotta push it down a little more.
Oh boy. Should have come out by
That's why
now.
I'm glad we tested it right now. I also lowered the pressure too. That's a lot of hose though for it to go on too.
Oh, here it comes.
Yes!
Yes.
Coming through?
Yep. Oh, that is such a happy view. There it goes.
God, we did it, babe.
There it goes.
Oh my God. Good job.
Good job to you. Yeah, we need to just dig that out and we're good to go until we can add another pipe there.
Even if it backs up back here, that's all that matters
Yep.
to us. Because it'll fall. Look, it's going down, no problem.
Oh my God, that's such a beautiful sight.
It's working. I am so excited right now.